Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewer. You are watching Food and Fun with Naveed. Hopes you and your family all fine. And Allah to all of you always keep happy. So viewer, today I am going to cook omelette. And I am going to cook this omelette in my own way. You have never seen before cooking this omelette like this. And which thing we need to cook this omelette, let me tell you. So come with me. So viewer, did you see we have one spoon garlic and ginger paste, and one big onion paste, one tomato paste, and two green chili cutting, and one teaspoon salt, and we have 8 chicken eggs. Okay, so 8-piece chicken egg. Okay, and we have olive oil. Okay, so first we turn on burner. Make slow fire. So turn on burner and make hot fry pan. So viewer, I think pan already hot, so we need to put little olive oil, little. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. So little olive oil, so viewer, pan is hot already, so we add garlic ginger paste, onion paste, so we have mixed this one. We fry until onion, garlic, ginger paste become brown. So you saw garlic and ginger paste already fried. So we're going to add now one tomato paste, and one potato I make paste. So potato paste, and we mix. Mix together with the onion ginger paste and fry also. So viewer, this one omelette, when you try at home, really is very good taste. That my own recipe, viewer, my own style. Whenever I cook omelette, so I cook like that. Inshallah, I hope you like this one when you cooking at home. So viewer, you saw this one fry already. So we need to mix with the egg. So we will this one already cook, fry already. So we mix with the egg. Okay. So you saw. Now we need to mix with the egg this one together. Think this one mix good. And add also chili, 1 teaspoon salt, and mix again. Continue mix. This omelette taste depend to for mixing everything. Mix until all thing going to mix. So viewer, did you see everything mix already properly? So we take now olive oil. We put the little olive oil, no more, only little. And think olive oil become all oily with the all pan. I think I put more olive oil. It's okay. Olive oil good for health. So now this one all mixer inside for pan. And mix, little mix, and now leave this until 5 minutes. So viewer, did you see this egg going to cook slowly? So we no need to mix with the spoon, because I need to cook with complete with the pan complete like this. So when you mix with the spoon, so this one going to become broke omelette. So we no need to broke omelette. We need to cook like that slowly. So viewer, omelette going to cooking. So we need to wait like 2 minutes more. So I have green coriander. So I'm going to cutting this one. So when omelette cooking, we put this one upside for omelette. And we have some green leaves. The Arabic call this one like jirjir leaves. So we cutting like that. So we check. I think our omelette is cooked. So we need to change side. How to change? Just cover like that, and then Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So I think more cooking. Let's cook 2 minutes more. Okay. So viewers, see, I think omelette cook okay. Check again. Once again, inshallah. Okay. Okay. So viewer, you see, omelette is ready. So we put some ginger and color now. It's okay. So viewer, you see, my omelette is cooking already. Now I'm going to eat. So viewer, you see what I'm cooking, very tasty. I'm eating already, and alhamdulillah is very good, tasty, yummy. So I hope you keep watching my channel and then subscribe my channel, and please viewer, also you take care yourself and take care your family. So inshallah we meet my next video, and I hope my next video also same like that video, nice. So I try to my best, better. Inshallah, one time I am success also. So please, okay. So viewer, bye. Take care. See you my next video.